Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation.
This is another 1 minute motivation from the Learn, Develop, Live podcast coming straight to you. How you doing? Can you and me talk about getting yourself back on track? Is it time for a new career, or do you just want to sharpen up those new skills? Send me a text message on 07801 543 515. We can book your free 30-minute call, or the website ldlcall.com. Book that slot and let's talk soon. But first, here is today's quote. Everything started as nothing. This is something that a lot of people seem to forget when they start out and they try and build themselves up. Everything in this universe, planets, countries, homes, businesses, just everything all started as nothing. So if you do have an idea, you can start to build it and mold it into whatever you want it to be. There'll be ups, there'll be downs, but stick with it and your nothing, well, that nothing will start to become something.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.